Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by LuvmeHair. Shout out to you LuvmeHair for sending me this unit, and I was just wowing over the packaging of this unit, y'all. The packaging was everything, and I got a bunch of goodies. I'm gonna go into detail more about what I got in the packaging later on in the video. So yeah, this may be moving too fast, but I really want to talk about the things that I did get in the packaging because I thought it was super neat. And y'all, please excuse me for chewing on my gum like a doggone cow. Like, girl, what are you doing? I should have took it out. So excuse that. It get on my nerves. So I know it probably getting on y'all nerves. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be talking about everything that was in this packaging later on in the video, just in case you're wondering, because I thought everything was really neat. So yeah, there were a few more items in that polka dot bag, but like I said, I'm gonna show you guys that later. But yeah, this is the unit. This unit is their celebrity style small kinky curl lace closure wig, and this unit is in 12 inches. This unit does come with 4 cones. Later on in the video I'm gonna say 3, but it's actually 4. There's 1 in the middle and then there's 3 in the back, and you guys see they had that little band, plus it has adjustable straps. And yeah, I was just basically showing you guys the cap construction, and here I'm just using my Gots to Be Glue Glam Force Freeze Spray to adhere the wig to my forehead. I was gonna say to that big forehead, but you know, to my forehead. And those clamps that you guys see me using are from the company. Like, they sent that as well, and they also sent a wax stick, and I'm going to use that later on in the video. Everything else is basically the same old. I did not show myself doing my baby hairs, but I do show you guys me using the Lighter Body mousse. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me do that a million times. Like, I don't want to keep showing you guys the same stuff, but this is the wax stick that came in the box. So yeah, shout out to them for the goodies. But anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy and continue to watch. And if you are interested in this unit, obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. The hairline looks decent. Like, look at them curls. Oh my God. Oh, I am feeling the curls. And I am gonna put it in the hair just like for picture purposes. But yeah, it's definitely a very glitzy type of vibe, and it says love me. I do think it is cute. I love the bling of it. It's really nice. So now we can get into the hair. It's 180% density. I personally think it may be thicker. I feel like this hair is super full. Like, and I just love, like, look at it. I love the sway, the swing of it. Like, oh my, girl, okay, anyways. It is a closure unit, as you guys saw. So it's just right here. And I do, y'all, you may or may not know, and I'm a closure stan. I like a good closure unit because I feel like they're really great for moms and the working mom. Like somebody that don't want to put on a frontal every day. I'm not, believe it or not, somebody that want to put on a frontal every day. She just doesn't, okay? She does not. So I really like that this was a closure unit. Now, I want to state this, the combs, there are 3 combs and adjustable strap. I do want to say this unit does not shed. It's not a tangly mess. Like, I don't want to mess with my curls too much, okay? I just don't. But yeah, it's just a really nice, yeah. Like, yeah. So anyways, and it's super, super, super full. So no shed, no tangling. The wig fits me good. I love how, I keep saying that, but I love how full it is. I love the fullness, the curl pattern. I really, really like it. I think it is nice, and I do think it is worth the price. So I would definitely say check out LuvmeHair. So yeah, once again, shout out to y'all, okay? Y'all, I see what everybody's talking about now, okay? I am in y'all club too now, okay? Shout out to you, Love Me.